Good morning, guys, wherever you tuned in. It's another lovely morning here in Japan. It's a Sunday. Yesterday was a rainy day all day. So today I'm here with my hunter club and I want to do some installation. So let me show you what I got. So I've got this stuff. These are fog lights. As you all know, this bike, the light is not the greatest, not the brightest. So I got this light. So this one is supposed to be installed over here, and using this clamp. So this clamp should be coming here. So let's try out this installation and see how it goes. So I already had this D unit installed. So this is supposed to be about 7 amps. This is 5 amps. Yeah, I think I can use this one. So just this is plus and this is minus. So just to get the cables inside here, let's do it. Yep, so the installation is over. This is how it looks. So let's try it on. So ignition switch on. If I turn off even if it's on, I turn off the ignition. Good. Welcome back, guys. It's now almost 7:30 in the PM. So let's test this light. I'm just here in the neighborhood, a little bit dark road. So let's see how this lights perform over here. So this is what I've been using. This is the normal light, and this is the full light, normal light. So now let me on the extra lights that we just installed a few years ago. Yep. So wow, look at the difference. Let me turn them off. Wow. On. This is amazing. Wow. This is really good. Yeah, the difference is like quite huge. Can see the road very well. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Let me enjoy a night ride. Cheers.